Welcome to day 20 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ever wondered how AI recognizes faces or spots objects in photos? Today we're diving into computer vision, the spellbinding magic of visual AI. This 33-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single pixel. Let's see the world through AI's eyes. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore computer vision. It's like giving AI eyes to see the world, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock visual secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Computer vision powers self-driving cars and photo apps, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo classifying objects and images. It's going to be amazing. Stick with us to master this magic. I'm thrilled to show you what's coming. Let's dive into visual AI.
Let's recap Day 19's NLP magic. We learned how NLP processes human language using tokenization and embeddings. We built a demo to classify tweet sentiments with BERT, achieving high accuracy. It was pure language wizardry. I'm so excited for computer vision today. Let's dive into visual AI. This is our next big spell.
The NLP demo was incredible, Anastasia. Seeing AI read tweet emotions was like magic unfolding. I'm thrilled to explore computer vision's visual powers now. This is going to be a new adventure. Let's keep the AI fire burning.
Today we're diving into computer vision, and I'm so thrilled. We'll learn what computer vision is, how it processes images, and key techniques like convolution and object detection. We'll build a vision demo in Python to classify objects. This journey will ignite your AI passion. Let's master visual magic. Get ready for image wizardry. Isabella, why is computer vision exciting?
Computer vision is amazing, Anastasia. It lets AI see images like we do, from faces to cars, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will change how we see AI. Let's unlock its potential.
Computer vision is our star today. It's an AI field focused on understanding images and videos, enabling recognition and detection tasks. It combines math with machine learning for visual magic. This is AI with eyes. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's uncover its secrets. Get ready to see the world anew. Isabella, what's a cool computer vision use?
Face recognition, Anastasia. AI spotting faces in photos is so futuristic. I'm excited to see how it works. It's like AI with vision. This is mind-blowing tech.
Why use computer vision? It understands visual data, automating tasks like image classification and video analysis. It enhances safety and user experiences, powering modern AI applications. This is transformative magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. Computer vision is changing lives. Isabella, what makes computer vision unique?
It's AI's eyes, Anastasia. Computer vision makes machines see, and I love its real-world uses. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is AI with sight.
Let's see how computer vision works. It starts with image or video input, pre-processes by resizing and normalizing, applies neural network models, and outputs classifications or detections. It's a magical pipeline. I'm excited to break it down. This is visual AI in action. Let's craft some image spells. Isabella, what's pre-processing?
It's preparing images for AI, Anastasia. Resizing and normalizing make data ready, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like setting up a visual spell. This is the foundation of vision.
Convolution is computer vision's core. It extracts features from images using filters to detect patterns, forming the foundation for CNNs. For example, it spots edges in photos. This is where visual magic begins. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's convolve some images. This is AI's feature finder. Isabella, why convolution?
It finds patterns like edges, Anastasia. Convolution makes AI see shapes, and I'm so excited. It's like decoding a visual puzzle. This sets the stage for magic.
Pooling is Vision's efficiency trick. It reduces image dimensions while retaining key features, like with max pooling. It speeds up neural networks for faster processing. This is clever AI math. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's pool some features. This shrinks data smartly. Isabella, why pooling?
It simplifies images, Anastasia. Pooling keeps the good stuff and speeds things up, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a visual shortcut. This boosts AI efficiency.
CNNs are Vision's superstars. They combine convolution and pooling, excelling in image tasks like classification. They power modern Vision apps, from phones to cars. This is visual AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's build some CNNs. This is Vision's powerhouse. Isabella, why CNNs?
They're perfect for images, Anastasia. CNNs spot patterns so well, and I'm excited to see them work. It's like a visual brain. This drives Vision forward.
Object detection is Vision's detective. It identifies objects and images, drawing bounding boxes using models like YOLO or faster RCNN. It's used in autonomous driving and more. This is smart AI vision. I'm so excited to explain. Let's detect some objects. This spots the world's details. Isabella, why object detection?
It finds objects like magic, Anastasia. Bounding boxes make AI understand scenes, and I'm thrilled. It's like visual sleuthing. This is AI's eagle eye.
Image segmentation is Vision's artist. It divides images into regions, labeling pixels by object, like in semantic segmentation. It's used in medical imaging and beyond. This is precise AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's segment some images. This paints visual details. Isabella, why segmentation?
It's like coloring objects, Anastasia. Segmentation makes AI see pixel by pixel, and I'm excited. It's like visual art. This helps AI understand deeply.
Computer vision faces challenges. Lighting varies in images, occlusion hides objects, and it needs large datasets. Object variability adds complexity too. We'll tackle these. I'm so ready to solve them. Let's overcome these hurdles. This is Vision's tough puzzle. Isabella, why is occlusion hard?
Hidden objects trick AI, Anastasia. Occlusion makes seeing tough, but I'm excited for solutions. It's a visual puzzle. This tests AI's sight.
Let's fix vision challenges. Data augmentation creates varied images, fine-tuning with diverse datasets helps, and transfer learning boosts performance. Robust models handle variability. This is AI problem solving. I'm thrilled to apply these. Let's make vision robust. This powers better AI. Isabella, why augmentation?
It adds variety, Anastasia. Augmentation makes AI handle changes, and I'm so excited. It's like training for all scenarios. This strengthens vision.
Computer vision needs powerful hardware. It requires high computation with CPUs too slow for large models. GPUs offer fast parallel processing, and TPUs are AI optimized. This fuels visual magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's power up vision. This is tech's backbone. Isabella, why GPUs?
GPUs speed up image models, Anastasia. They make vision training fast, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like turbo AI. This drives visual power.
Vision frameworks make coding easy. OpenCV is a classic toolkit, TensorFlow is flexible, and PyTorch is dynamic for research. We'll use TensorFlow for our demo. These tools are wizardry. I'm thrilled to code with them. Let's simplify vision. This is coding magic. Isabella, why TensorFlow?
It's so powerful, Anastasia. TensorFlow handles vision models smoothly, and I'm excited for our demo. It's like an AI powerhouse. This unlocks easy vision.
Computer vision transforms the world. It powers face recognition for security, autonomous driving for safety, medical imaging for diagnosis, and augmented reality for fun. These applications change lives. I'm so inspired by vision. Let's see their impact. This is AI in action. Isabella, which is coolest?
Medical imaging, Anastasia. Vision helps diagnose diseases, and I'm blown away. It's like saving lives with AI. This is so impactful.
Transfer learning is vision's shortcut. It uses pre-trained models, fine-tuning them for specific tasks, like with ResNet or VGG. It saves time and resources for faster results. This is smart AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's transfer some knowledge. This is Vision's hack. Isabella, why transfer learning?
It's so efficient, Anastasia. Pre-trained models speed up tasks, and I'm excited to learn. It's like borrowing AI wisdom. This makes vision easier.
Data augmentation is Vision's booster. It creates varied image data by rotating, flipping, or cropping images. It improves model robustness and prevents overfitting. This is clever AI training. I'm thrilled to share. Let's augment some images. This strengthens vision models. Isabella, why augmentation?
It makes models tougher, Anastasia. Augmentation adds variety, and I'm thrilled to learn it. It's like training for all angles. This powers robust AI.
Hi, wizards, it's Sophia. Let's prep for our computer vision demo. Install Python and TensorFlow with pip install TensorFlow. Grab the objects.csv dataset, linked below, for object classification. I'm so excited to classify images. This is going to be epic. Let's start the visual magic. Ethan, what's next?
Hey, I'm Ethan. Launch Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Notebook to set up our coding environment. We'll classify objects in images as cars or trees. Let's make visual magic. I'm thrilled to get started. Let's code some vision. This is our AI canvas.
It's demo time. Sophia and Ethan will lead a Python demo using TensorFlow to build a CNN for object classification, identifying cars or trees in images. Get ready for visual magic. I'm so excited to see it. This will blow your mind. Let's watch Sophia and Ethan shine. This is Vision's big moment.
Hey, I'm Ethan, breaking down our vision demo code. We load objects.csv, pre-process images, and build a CNN with convolution and pooling layers to classify cars versus trees. This code powers our visual magic. I'm thrilled to share its details. Let's see it in action. This is AI at work. Let's classify some images.
It's Sophia here. Ethan's code sets up our CNN perfectly for object classification. I'm so excited to run it. This is where visual magic begins. Let's identify cars and trees. This is our AI lens. Hi, I'm Sophia. We're using TensorFlow to build a CNN for object classification on images. I pre-process the images and train. Look at that accuracy. This is visual magic. I'm thrilled to show it. Let's see cars and trees. This is AI's visual read.
And I'm Ethan. We pre-process images, use a CNN with convolution layers, and train for 5 epochs to hit approximately 80% accuracy. The CNN spots patterns beautifully. I'm so thrilled to see it work. Let's celebrate this AI win. This is vision in action. Let's keep coding.
Wow, Sophia and Ethan, that was magical. They loaded and pre-processed image data, built a CNN with convolution layers, and trained it with backpropagation, hitting ardent 80% accuracy. This shows vision's power. I'm so impressed. Let's break it down. This is AI seeing clearly. Isabella, what stood out?
The CNN layers were incredible, Anastasia. They spotted patterns so well, and I'm thrilled by the results. This is visual AI magic. This makes images come alive.
Here's tips for computer vision. Normalize image data, start with simple CNNs, use pre-trained models, and experiment with data augmentation. These tips make you a vision wizard. I'm so excited for you. Let's master these tricks. This is your vision spellbook. Isabella, any tips to add?
Balance datasets, Anastasia. Diverse images improve models, and I love tweaking them. It's like crafting a perfect spell. This boosts your vision power.
Let's recap day 20. Computer vision processes images using techniques like convolution, CNNs, and object detection. We built a demo to classify cars versus trees with great accuracy. Your task? Try your own vision model and share results in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is your visual victory.
What a journey, Anastasia. From convolutions to classifying images, we've unlocked visual magic. I'm thrilled for everyone's progress. Let's keep building vision spells. Try the task and shine.
That's a wrap for day 20. Amazing wizards. I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined us for Computer Vision. It's been spellbinding. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Day 21 dives into advanced computer vision, with Ethan and Isabella revealing mind-blowing AI tricks. I'm thrilled for what's next. Let's keep the AI fire burning. This is just the start.
Hey, I'm Sophia. This vision demo with Ethan was pure magic, bringing images to life with AI. You're all wizards for mastering computer vision basics, and I'm so proud of you. Day 21 will explore advanced computer vision, and Ethan and Isabella will unleash more visual sorcery. Can you guess what they'll conjure next? Visit DailyAIWizard.com, keep practicing, and share your demo results in the comments. I'm so excited for your journey. Let's make more AI magic. See you tomorrow.
Isabella here. Computer vision is so thrilling, turning images into AI magic, and I'm blown away by what we've learned. Day 20 was just the start, and Day 21's advanced computer vision will take us deeper into visual spells with Ethan and me leading the way. What new AI secrets will we uncover? Stick with Daily AI Wizard to find out. Keep coding, stay curious, and let's make more AI magic together. I can't wait for our next adventure. Let's level up your skills.
Ethan here. Loved coding this vision demo. CNNs are incredible. Day 21 will amplify the magic with advanced techniques. See you soon. Keep exploring AI. Let's dive deeper.